The face that runs the place is in the building.
And he is ready to stand head and shoulders above the competition once again.
The following contest is a triple threat match. Making his way to the ring from West Newbury, Massachusetts, weighing in at 251 pounds, the greatest of all time, John CENA!
Love him or hate him, you cannot deny the reaction John Cena gets from the WWE Universe.
And he thrives off that reaction. It only makes him stronger, better, and more determined.
I honestly don't know that there's a more determined superstar than John Cena.
And he proves it every single night. And tonight should be no different.
Just take a look at the size of SANGA.
And his opponents, first representing Undashing from India, weighing in at 297 pounds, SANGA!
At one point in time, SANGA served as the enforcer for one Grayson Waller.
Yeah, backing up Waller's loudmouth is a full-time job. But now, SANGA is fully focused on his own success.
You better be careful, Saxton. I hear Waller still has SANGA on a retainer.
SANGA about to get to work.
It might not be pretty, but it will be destructive. The Celtic Warrior always ready for a fight.
And representing the Brawling Brutes from Dublin, Ireland, weighing in at 267 pounds, the Celtic Warrior, SHEAMUS!
The Celtic Warrior has accomplished just about everything there is to accomplish in WWE.
Sheamus is always around for a fight. The success, hey, that's just a byproduct. Three competitors at odds with each other now look to settle things in this triple threat match. Ready to get it on, we see John Cena, SANGA, and Sheamus.
Every superstar for themselves in this matchup. Still, it's possible to see some temporary alliances, no matter how strange.
It's about getting the odds in your favor. Chances are better against one opponent instead of two. Haymaker connects. Grabs the leg.
Look at this, he just tossed the leg. It couldn't have felt good being chucked around like that.
An elbow will break that up.
Taken down by the neck.
Into the corner now.
Short clothesline hits its mark.
Wicked clothesline. Ooh, his shoulders are down.
Look at this. Curious decision there, Michael.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something. All right, back to it, returning to the ring. Caught him right in the the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot. Oof.
Up on the top rope.
Hazardous part of town for these two competitors.
This could go south in a hurry. Here we go. Superplex!
CENA's bringing out his full arsenal.
SANGA having trouble getting his bearings. Well-placed punch, ugly, but effective response. Both competitors showing how well they know one another. Boom!
And it seems like you have to be at least a little sadistic to be victorious in a no-DQ match.
Oh, come on, Cole. It's not about being sadistic. It's about being smart. There's no safety net in a no disqualification match, and that's a big factor in succeeding. There's nothing sadistic about it.
Big boot!
Will this be enough? Denied a 2 count there.
He's far from finished.
Boom, running STO plants him.
Nicely done.
Overhand right lands.
And look at this now. Bad intentions.
And he got in there.
I thought that was it. Outside the ring now. He has no need to rush.
Oh, no. Now that he has the kendo stick, I definitely do not want to be in his path of destruction.
Oh, right in there.
Whack. This is turning into Swanson Street.
Ooh, bullseye.
The larger-than-life CENA being brought back down to earth.
This is how SANGA is going to make his presence felt throughout the match.
Reversal on SANGA.
Uh-oh, monkey flip.
I love it.
He'll head to the ring.
And now Sanga's being...
Oh, man.
Continuing to attack the neck.
Draped over the top rope.
Sheamus denies the attack.
Oh, man, that was nasty.
In the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target.
Just launched. He thinks he has it.
Only a 1 count before the kick out.
Close call, but not enough yet.
Here's CENA. Attitude adjustment.
Does CENA put this one away?
The pin's broken up. Oh, what a kick.
Uh-oh, getting ready to elbow drop. That's gotta be it.
Quick count out after 1.
Kicking out now sends a very clear message.
Scoop slam.
Wow, what elevation. With white noise.
And there's the cover. Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
So close. That could have been it.
Okay, he's re-entering the ring.
And CENA's able to evade.
He's absorbing some tough hits now.
I'm just surprised that this triple threat match is still going on, Cole. I bet Saxton this would have been over by now.
Snapmare takedown.
Got flipped upside down there.
Up high.
Oh, look at the well-placed elbow right on the mark.
CENA ready to put this one to bed.
We have seen these men unleash a lot of devastating offense. Incredible that this match hasn't ended yet.
It might just be a matter of time. This one is close to coming to a head.
Out of the ring, what's his plan here?
And when he's got that chair, you know he wants to send a serious message.
Climbs back inside. Tagging this outside.
This could be good.
What a shot.
Quick thinking pays off. Clothesline to the back of the neck. Flapjack.
Gosh, landing face first.
Irish coat. Here's a cover.
Could be it.
He breaks up the pin, and Corey, the match continues.
I love it. John Cena looking to end this.
Cena with an attitude adjustment.
Sheamus is in crisis mode. Pin.
That could have been it right there.
Oh my, is raking the face with their forearm.
Elbow.
Look at this, just stop after stop after stop.
Chop block without warning.
Evades their offense. Kendo stick to the skull.
He steps foot in the ring again. Just one right after the other. Can't be stopped.
And you can tell there are true intentions in mind right now.
Shin breaker.
The Celtic Warrior's chances are waning. Cena is certainly getting that fierce look in his eyes.
Bear hugs.
He breaks the hold.
Dropped him with a big shoulder tackle.
He thinks he has it.
He's able to beat a 2 count.
He refuses to stay down.
Pure instinct. And a live crowd doesn't... Will it be?
I think so.
Shoulder up, shoulder up.
He just won't give up. Solid punch.
Cena powering up his opponent into position for the AA.
Cena can end it there. Punch. Nasty. Sanga fears no man.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
And Sheamus there finds room for another devastating maneuver.
No matter what phase in the match, Sheamus never has any trouble brutalizing his opponents.
Oh my God, steel chair!
Oh my gosh, what impact!
We are witnessing a malicious string of attacks right now.
There is nothing but malintent behind each of these attacks. He saw it. Here it comes. Looking for.
This match has been history in the making.
This is insane.
Put it in position now.
Face first.
And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. Oh, strong impact.
Sheamus' words hit just as hard as his fists. Taking this moment to tease him with the kendo stick.
And he's ready to throw out all decorum in this one, letting everyone know he's got full intent on using that kendo stick.
He has truly gone to a different zone, you guys. Into the ring again.
Catches a punch.
Jumping suplex.
You can't see him, but you will feel this.
Clearly thinking a steel chair is what's needed right about now. Oh!
Punch lands. John Cena. Right into the canvas for the attitude adjustment.
Yet another big move, guys.
The cover. And he breaks up the pinfall.
Let's keep fighting. And SANGA is out.
Try to end it.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
It's not over yet.
This arena has come unglued.
You can feel the foundation shifting with every turn in the match.
Hits him with the counter. Clothesline. And this one might be headed ringside. Re-entering the ring now. Oh, he's got him up high. Throwaway slam.
And Sheamus could be wasting time playing to the crowd.
Had it scouted, then turned it into a... Oh, my God.
Looking for a high-risk, high-reward situation. From way up. Nobody home on that.
Right across the face.
Running knee. Pulled in for a belly-to-belly. He's going for the pin. This could be it. He kicks out at 2.
I am shaking my head in disbelief over how he managed to get the shoulder up.
He's heading back to the ring.
Oh! What impact!
Right in the kisser.
Blow to the breadbasket. Telegraphed that one and delivers a blow to the gut. Placed in the corner. Sheamus with a broom kick.
I knew Sheamus had this.
Got it! Survived the triple threat match.
Here is your winner, the Celtic Warrior, Sheamus!
What a performance. Huge win here in this triple threat match.
A win like this sends a message. Send 2 superstars, send 3, send 4, heck, send a whole army. It's only